Hi everyone, this is Mr. MM here. I've just come up with a brand new YouTube channel which I'll be calling Mr. MM Maths Made Simple. The aim of this channel is just for me to explain in very simple terms some of those tricky concepts that you may be struggling with in maths. Also, in future, I may also be introducing some cool rap, very own made by me rap tunes, maybe just to keep the year turns in the challenge. Remember the Pi Day year turns? But I'll be trying, hopefully, I'll be giving them a very good challenge. Anyway, for today, before I waste time, earlier on someone else asked me a very tricky or a question maybe which I thought maybe I must be able to explain to everyone so that you can also understand what the person was going through. Anyway, it falls under maybe a topic which generally it may be asking you to find the equation of a line given 2 points. So the question was, find the equation of a line that passes through the point 36 and 72. Okay, so before we go anyway, I just thought maybe you may want to understand the basic concepts with regards to this topic. So earlier on I would have drawn a diagram which I think is very crucial to the understanding of this topic, which is finding the equation of a straight line. So first of all, generally the equation of a straight line comes in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where the c is the y-intercept. Okay, so that is where the equation crosses the y-axis, and the m, basically it is just the gradient of the line. I remember well from a previous learning we would have discussed that the gradient, which I'll just say grad, should be equals to the m, should be equals to the rise divided by the run. Okay, maybe in future we may talk about the difference in y. Okay, the differences in the y values divided by the difference in x values. So the x values. Okay, so now let's get on to the question. So this question, go back to the question, basically you can answer it in 2 ways. The first method, which I'm going to explain in this video clip, is you find the equation of the line by physically drawing the straight line by first of all plotting the 2 coordinates, which is 3, 6 and 7, 2, and then joining those 2 points. Okay, so we'll try and draw together. The graph. Okay, here are the axes which I drew earlier on. So marking key points from the question is it passes through points 3, 6 and 7, 2. So basically I need to plot point 7, 2 and a point 3, 6. Okay, so that one, as I know from my previous knowledge, always start with the x. So this is the x and this is the y. So this one is the x, this is the y. Okay, after that then I just need to plot the points. So it's 3 along, going 3 along and 6 up. So the point will be there. Let's try and be very accurate. and the other point will be 7 along and 2 up. I'm still learning. It's my very first video to shoot, so things can easily go horribly wrong here. But I know, as you always know me, I believe we can only get better, and I will get better, and for sure we will get better. So now, for this method to work, you must accurately draw the line. Okay, so let's draw the line. So make sure it passes through the center of that point and also the center of that point. Very, very accurate. So try and draw an accurate line. So okay, there you go. So I've just drawn the line as it is accurately passing through diagonally to that square and that square and that square, so which means it should be very accurate. And I know from what I know, where it crosses the y-axis, this point, I shall call it C. Sorry guys, it's not COVID, definitely. It's just sneezing. And this is my C. Now the next thing that I need to do is I need to draw a triangle. Remember, I would have said you must draw your triangle very, very cleverly. Okay, so I'll choose a point. I'll just draw from that point to that point. Okay, and I know this is my rise, and this is my run. Okay, remember, it's rise divided by the run. It's my gradient, and for me to get to that point, I have to go 4 along. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 along, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 down. So my gradient for that line, M, is rise divided by the run. Rise and run. So in this case, it will be a minus 4 divided by 4. Now we're dividing negative numbers, which means my M is equals to minus 1. So, but I know the general equation of my line should be y is equals to mx plus c. I now know my m is minus 1. Okay, now know that my m is minus 1, so which means the equation of my line should be minus 1 because m is minus 1. X, add my c. If I can see from the diagram, my c is a 9, but that is where it's cutting the y-axis, so 9. So which means my final equation of the line is equals to y minus x add 9. Okay, so that is my final equation of the line. So going back to the question which this person is asked. Okay, they had said, say, is this final answer correct? So they got a 6 minus a 3x, which at this point I would say that is a very wrong answer. Well tried, great effort, but this is how you do it. Okay, so the correct answer for that equation, for that line, is minus x. You also know that it's minus, as you can see, it's a minus gradient because it's going from top to bottom. Okay, so it shows it's a negative gradient. Anyway, if you've got any more questions, feel free anytime. Just email me or just send me a message on this YouTube channel. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. The more the likes, the better. Do you like it? More likes, the better. Anyways, I told you I will be practicing some maths rap tunes, and hopefully very soon it is going to be more exciting and more interesting, especially in these days where we just logged in, not going anywhere, spending 24/7 inside the house. So we can make it more exciting and more fun. Stay cool, wash your hands, stay safe, be blessed. Thank you very much. Cheers now. Bye-bye.